All right, remember these? These are the tops we did like 1,000 years ago. But I'm getting ready to put them on. They do need some repairs. Now, these are not reconditioned, and eventually I'm going to get glass tops for the Corvette. But for now, we're just going to take care of what we have here. This one's in good shape. The ends aren't broken out, so I'm going to re-put the clips in here, and I'll show you that in a minute. But on the other one, the clips were ripped off. And so I've matched this clip up with the hole that goes on the other side here. And now that's being Gorilla Glued in place. One of these, you can see where the other clip goes. That one's ripped off completely. Don't know if I'm going to be able to fix that or not, but I'm going to throw a bunch of Gorilla Glue on it and see if it'll hold. It might not. But it's got the good Velcro plastic snaps on here that go good. One of them was coming off, so that's got a big heaping pile of Gorilla Glue on it. So I've got to wait for those to take place. But this other one we can get to right away. And again, the little clips go right in here. And then we flip it over, and then they get bolted into there. And I think we're good with that. So I'm going to get started on that. All right, I'm going to try to keep this. Set up so you can see. And I just can't damage the tops of these, so I have to be kind of careful. So I was thinking about putting these in place, and I can just match them up. And I think I want to do that. But then I think I'm going to throw a little Gorilla Glue on there just to hold them in place, just to give that a little bit of toughness. So if you can see where the is, and it goes right. I'm going to bring you over so you can see that. Hopefully you can see it. This isn't easy. You can see it's right there. You can see it's right there. So if I get this hole lined up and I don't move it, and I do the same to the other side, I should be able to just put some glue on there just to toughen that up. Now this one was way off. Now these just are a little extra security. They don't actually have a huge role to play. And so I have these just about perfect. So I'm going to flip them over. Try not to wiggle them around too much. I'm going to put a good smattering of, moved it. Good smattering of glue around it. And I don't know how well that's going to hold. We'll find out. And it's just to toughen that up, strengthen that a little bit. But I got to wait for it to set before I can put it back on. And again, this one's in good shape. It doesn't have any of the little plastic snaps, like plastic Velcro. It doesn't have any of those, so it should be good. I'm gonna flip this over one more time and see if I can make sure I get these lined up. That one should be perfect. That one's not. Again, no. So those are perfect, just like that. Perfect. So I'm gonna flip them back, and they're going to dry, and then we'll come back and look at them a little bit. All right, there you go. This is back in. Snapped in the plastic Velcro connector things. They're all set. These are in and good. The other one is got some gluing time to go still, so I'm going to let that go for about another hour. I'll be working on putting the videos up later today, since I think we're making good progress. I'll break this up into several videos, just so they're not too long. But I think the tops will be a separate one. clipping together, and then of course the side panel here will be the other one. And I just can't get over how much better that looks. It's awesome. Like my old man voice, that was terrible. But yeah, I just can't believe how nice that looks. How much better it's going to be. You see up here, these pieces are in already. Showed those last time. Got to do the dog legs here. Let me pop those off now. I don't know. We'll take a look. They're in bad shape though, and they're expensive to replace. Got this panel to do here. I've got the entire back panels to do there. But I'll have time. I'll have lots of time.